and the second week of this year's trading. Just remember, today's the 8th of January, so tomorrow, the 9th of January, the stock market will be closed. The U.S. stock market will be closed for the funeral procession of the former President Jimmy Carter. So tomorrow, the U.S. stock market is closed, so we can expect very low volume, not much activity during the U.S. session. But today is as normal. And what we're looking at now is the 4-hour chart on gold, the H4 chart, and I'm a little bit earlier than normal because the stock market will open, the U.S. stock market will open in about 35 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes. And we've already had the news. The high impact news has already come out. We had the ADP and the unemployment claims. The ADP was bad news for the U.S. economy. So we saw gold moving up, and then the unemployment claims came out, and that was good news for the U.S. economy. So one good news and one bad news. However, now we see that the market has settled down, and it seems to be that the sentiment is bullish for gold, and that's against the U.S. dollar. As you can see now here on the chart, we are approaching our resistance level of 2660, and if it should break above this, where it's getting close to right now, it's on 2659. If it breaks above 2660, then our next level is 2673. So it looks like it's very likely to go on to the next level during the U.S. session. However, it's always prudent, always a good idea to wait until the stock market opens, and when the most of the volume will come into the market, most of the liquidity will come in, and we'll see more action, and we'll see more what's going on with the movement of gold and the U.S. dollar. But it looks to be, gold has been bullish all day. We started off with a doji in the first 4-hour candle, then we had a higher high, then we had a higher high, and still another higher high. And if we should fall down, though, we have support at this first yellow line here. This is 2643. That's our main level of support, as you can see back here. If we should fall down, then it would likely come back to 2643. And if it even drops below that for some strange reason, then our next level would be 2620. But it looks to be that gold is bullish. Higher highs all day long today. And in spite of the bad news from the ADP, in spite of the good news, based on the bad news for the ADP, if that makes any sense. If you look at forexfactory.com and the actual greater than forecast, and that determines whether it's good news or bad news for the U.S. economy. But what we're concerned about as traders, is gold bullish or is gold bearish? And it appears that gold is bullish. It's right now already on 2659, almost on 2660, just getting ready to break above resistance. So it looks like higher prices during the U.S. session. A good place to buy right now, I would wait. If I were you, I would wait until it clearly breaks above the resistance zone, and it looks like it's going to continue up. Wait till you see that you have the momentum to move up to the next level, which is 2673. All right, let's take a look down at some of the trades I gave you in the weekly analysis. Remember, I do a weekly analysis video every Sunday, and I give my pending orders. This is the trade order, the pending order I gave on Sunday. I said, and that's back here, it's 3 days ago. Okay, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 3 trading days ago. And now this Euro US, it did hit the sell limit here and went the wrong direction. And that's all right. It didn't go too far and then came back. And now this Euro US is in profit. Okay, this Euro US is now in profit from the weekly analysis video that I did on Sunday. I do a weekly analysis for gold and the major US pairs and cryptocurrencies. So be sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you'll be notified every time I make one of those videos. And then another good one is the pound US. This is in really good profit. It's went down even lower, but now in the last half an hour, it has come back up a little bit. But this is excellent profit. The pending order opened on Monday. It went a little bit the wrong direction, and then came back good today, and has made a fantastic move today. So this is some excellent profit on the pound US sell limit, which I gave on Sunday. And then the UJ, the USD JPY, this was a buy limit, which I gave on Sunday in my weekly analysis video. And it opened on Monday. We had that big drop in the US dollar. It opened on Monday, and then Monday, Tuesday, okay, came down a little bit yesterday and is still going up today. So this has been an excellent profit on the USD JPY. If you caught this trade on Monday, it opened during the US session on Monday, and then has been in good profit Monday and Tuesday, and then more profit today. All right, I'm going to try and change my chart and go over and see if we can look at the cryptocurrencies, because I have those on a different chart. Just bear with me for a little bit here and see if I can change the chart on the screen. And I want to just look at the cryptocurrencies, and let's see if that chart will change for me. Oh, it wants me to save. Okay, that's all right. I'll just leave. And here we go. And yeah, okay, good. So I got the correct chart on here. There's my YouTube channel address. If you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, it's youtube.com/@RickRay. And be sure that you've subscribed to that so you'll get the weekly analysis video I do every Sunday, and I will do that every Sunday consistently for the rest of the year. You'll find over 500 videos on my YouTube channel, lots of good information there to help you with your trading experience. Okay, so we're looking at Bitcoin. And what is Bitcoin doing? Made a big move up to 102,000, but then yesterday and today it started to fall down and looks bearish. And it's falling down. It broke back below 98, broke below 100, which was resistance, is now support. Well, it was support, now it's resistance, okay? What we have on Bitcoin is support is 95K. That's right here, this yellow line, okay? It's 94,900 and something. That's our support level, and it's right there. It bounced off of that already earlier today, and looks like it's trying to bounce again and maybe start moving back up. So if you're a Bitcoin hodler and you want to DCA, now is a good price to buy at around 95,000. And then for sure we are going to be moving to higher prices, as it always does. It has been bullish for about a week, and now this is a retracement that we see here. So it's a good time to get into Bitcoin. And then you hold it till it gets back up to 100,000, and then even on up to 102,000 and possibly 105,000 where we have been before. So just slightly, it's been bearish for 2 days, and it looks like it's just a correction, a retracement, a pullback, whatever you want to call it. And then it will start to go back to higher prices. We could go lower. Yeah, it has been 2 weeks ago, it was at 92. Okay, so it could go back down there. But if you do like me and you just buy at any price, I don't trade crypto, okay? I buy Bitcoin. I buy Bitcoin with the intention of holding it. All right, I buy Bitcoin with the intention of holding it. DCA, dollar cost averaging. So if that's what you're doing, now is a good price. You will never really catch the low. All right, so now is a good price to buy in, right there where it is now, 95,442. And then another one that I like is Doge. I've showed you this one before, Doge Gov USDT. All right, we have support at 17 cents and resistance where it got up to a couple of days ago, 25 cents. So if you want to get a good meme coin, Doge Gov USDT, this is the Department of Government Efficiency, which Elon Musk is going to be in charge of very, very soon, if everything goes according to the president-elect's new plan that he has for the U.S. So it's a good price to get in now if you want to buy the Doge Gov USDT. It's just bouncing off of support there, where this was resistance before, and now it's support, and now it's starting to come back up. And then another one that I like is XRP, USDT, and we have support here. And so it's bouncing off of that yesterday and today. So this is also a good price to get in for XRP, which is expected to do very, very well in 2025. XRP. So this is a really good price to get in. You have resistance up here at $2.47. We have support at $2.28, which has been bouncing off of yesterday and today. So that's a good price to get in, even right now. Just buy some XRP and put that in your cold storage wallet, okay, and hold for the future. All right, let's go back and look at gold before I close out. I think I can do it on this chart here. Yeah, that's okay. That chart's all right. Yeah. 2662 resistance, which we are breaking above that now. Okay, 2663. We're moving above that. The momentum is there. You see that? What I was just saying, just even 3 or 4 minutes ago, the momentum is there. We're likely to go to 2673, the next resistance level. The momentum is very good for gold today. And but if it should come down, then we have 2643 for support. Okay, that's it for me for today. Tomorrow I will see you again around about the same time. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below this video. I will be getting back to you. I hope you have a great session of trading wherever you are in the world. Have a great day or a great evening. See you again tomorrow.